What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day today, and in today's video I want to talk about the trade we took on AMD and how it paid over 180% and how you guys can replicate the exact same thing, and what we kind of looked for to give us that confirmation to take the trade. So on the daily here, we have the sell-off that takes place on AMD. We can see price comes down, consolidates here, all right, and we have a little bit of a bear flag that forms. Now once that bear flag breaks to the downside, we're going to fall into the next area of support. And in regards to AMD, the support in that last pivot low was around 71.55. Great. So now we know if the daily bear flag breaks, we could take a nice run down to that 71.55 level. Yesterday, we opened, push all the way up, and close at the low of day, which is an inverted hammer candle, very weak. So we were looking for continuation to the downside today. Now, taking a look at what's happening in the pre-market, we can see we closed very weak, and we put in a little bit of support here in the pre-market right here at this level of 73.89, 74, and the game plan was if we penetrate and if we break below that 74 level, we're going to fall into that next area of support on the daily at 71.55, and I'll talk about what's going on here under that level as well. Okay, so once we opened, we saw this kind of price hesitation, but once we broke that, I really got interested in this when I saw all this flow, this bearish flow starting to come in, and that level broke. We got into puts right here in the morning. As soon as this level broke right here, we got into puts. I got it at around 98. You could have got a better fill on that one. However, this bearish flow that continued to come in was giving me confirmation that this thing was going to kind of sell off. You have a 60% bearish flow overall on this one today, and the thing is down currently over, what is it at? Over 5.5% right here on AMD on the day today. This option premium went from 98 all the way up to 202 something, giving a return of around 180%. And it was just an easy sell-off right here. And then you have another consolidation flag or channel and another breakdown and continuation lower here. Okay, guys, so again, we identified the game plan yesterday. This is why it's so important for you guys to scan stocks the night before, so you have a game plan coming into the morning. That was the game plan. Inverted hammer, looking for continuation to the downside. If support breaks, next support is 71.50. Great, we got involved over 180% move, simply because we were prepared. We had flow on our side, and we were able to take advantage of that. Now, something interesting that's kind of happening here on AMD is it's starting to lose a very big support level. We lost all these support points that we had here on AMD, dating all the way back to 2021, August 2020. We're losing that, and now there's not much price action taking place here, guys. In this little area right here, there's not much price action, as we had a strong move from 58 all the way up to this 72 level. 72 became the new support. Now we're breaking under that, and there's really no price action or a volume pocket essentially that we can fall right into and see this come down to 58.60, 58.75 very quickly. All right, so hopefully you guys did find value in this. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video everywhere you can so people can see it. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.